Letter E makes the sound. It makes the sound. This is uppercase E and lowercase e. AJ, I have hidden some eggs around the house. We're going to find the eggs. Get up. Let's go look for the eggs. Where are you, egg? I can see eggs already. This way. I can see the egg already. Do you see it? Oh, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Oh, wow. We found one egg. I can see another one here. Oh, wow. I can see another one. Oh, found you, egg. Put it in your bag. Let's go look for more eggs. Oh, I can see egg. More egg. Oh, look at that. Put it in your bag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if you can find. Oh, found you, egg. Come, come. Find more eggs. Eggs. Ah, found you, egg. Come see if there's more here. Is there? Oh, look. Found you, egg. That's all. Let's go. You found all the eggs. Let's count the eggs. 1. Bring it out. 2. Yes. 3. 4. 5. 6. Open the eggs. Open. Open. Press. Press. Oh! The orange egg. Oh, look at that. So you're going to paste them either in uppercase or in lowercase. Now we have lowercase e. E sound. E makes the sound. E makes the sound. E is the letter. Is the sound that it makes. E is the letter. Goes the E. E makes the sound. E makes the sound. E makes the sound. You want to play it? E makes the sound. Okay, E makes the sound. E makes the sound. You say E makes the sound. Good job. E makes the sound. Good. E makes the sound. Yes, and an A. Yes. Perfect. Yes, you did it. Yes. Say all done.
All done.
Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Look at the camera. Say bye.
Bye.